Well, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever happens to be the time you're looking and watching this video. I just wanted to prepare something that would help you be able to know that you can have great confidence in creating French pastry. Croissants are something that all of us enjoy eating. In fact, whenever we go and go to a restaurant, or even for that matter, one of the big box stores like Costco, they sell these croissants, and we buy them. They're good, but did you really know how much better they could be if you made them yourself? Well, I'm here to show you that you can make your own croissants and do it in such a way that people will rave about them, talk about them, and you will never ever buy a store-bought croissant again. Now, before we begin, let me just encourage you that don't be intimidated. I'm here in a home kitchen purposely. I'm not in a commercial kitchen, so this should inspire you that you can do this in your own kitchen as well. A croissant is a heaven-made piece of bread. It is layered laminated dough with butter layers that are just absolutely the most succulent, absolutely probably one of the best pieces of bread you'll ever put in your mouth. And so we're going to show you how to do this and do it in such a way that is repeatable. You don't have to have special equipment. The one thing that I will be using is a scale for the measuring of the ingredients. And the reason I say that is because whenever you cook savory, we all know, add a dash of this, a teaspoon of that, and that works great. But when you're dealing with breads, when you're dealing with some of the desserts and pastries, you have to be very exact, or at least as exact as you can be. So I'm going to be weighing out the ingredients, and this will allow us to make sure that we dial in the right proportions, and that the finished product is pretty much guaranteed. We're going to show you how that you create the laminate. That is that dough we'll call a book. And it's very simple. There's really not much to it, but the process has to be, just understood and obeyed. The other thing about it is you can have additions to your croissants. Some of you would like to put maybe some dark chocolate and make some chocolate croissants, or some of you may want to put ham and make ham and possibly cheese croissants. I'm just going to be sticking to the traditional, regular, plain croissants, which I assure you are wonderful. So just be encouraged. We're going to show you some of the ingredients and some of the things that you'll need. We'll go through the entire processes, and it will take a couple of days. So you'll see edits, but this is a 2-day process in order to fully do this. And that being said, let's get started.